What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make working cosmetics in Grab VR. So this are code blocks, and if you really want to know how to make cosmetics, and make sure to watch this video. Also, another thing, I will only be teaching you how to make a custom holdable in the right hand. The hats and face cosmetics are basically the same thing because they both fill your head in multiple ways. And if this video gets over 25 likes, I might do a part 2, and I might be doing even more stuff for you guys. So let's just hop into editor mode, and let me just show you how to do this. Okay, now we're in editor mode, and I'm going to be showing you in what blocks you'll need. Okay, first, what you want to do, just get any block. I recommend grouping. So like, I'm just gonna make a top hat, and yeah, I'm just gonna make a crappy top hat. Doesn't really. And I'm gonna make sure it's passable. So make sure it's on passable mode, or you'll be flying everywhere. It'll be very weird. Also, if you're wondering what this badge is, it's the new builder badge for content creators and Grilled. So if you want to go in their Discord, make sure to go in the announcements channel and stuff. Make sure to join or try to apply, and maybe you'll get in. Anyway, make sure to put it as passable and then group it. Unless if you already know how to do it, and then you just already put your joystick, or look. So what you want to do, if you don't want to ungroup it normally, make sure push up, and then you'll be in a smaller group. If you didn't put it on passable, make sure to just do that now. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to get a code block. You can't read it, but this is a code block. Let's say this is a code block. You can see the arrows and stuff. You got to get a code block and make sure to put it on after player and start active. If you don't want it, if you want it to be a clickable cosmetic, toggleable, then I will make that in part 2. And remember, make sure we get 25 likes, and I'll make a part 2. But right now, this tutorial, I'll put it on start active for the cosmetics. So go here, edit connections. So make sure to go to edit connections, and then make sure to add this, and then click here, and do select ID, select valid, and XYZ, and then go here. Now we want to go to group 1 and stuff. Just name it anything, and just do this. And make sure to click OK. And then go back, and then go to edit program. Okay, now that we're on my Oculus camera, I'm going to be showing you what to do first. So first, click label, and then do set if. And you click label, set. Make sure to do that 6 times. And then click label again. And then click sleep. And then go to. Alright, now what you want to do here, make sure you can rename these, but I don't really do it, so you don't have to and stuff, so whatever. But make sure to keep that there, like that. And change this to cell part. Keep that like that. Make sure to do this as local ID and stuff. Why do I keep saying that? But also, if you want this to be a hat, make sure to put it on R0. Not player valid. R0. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, put it on R0. Now you want to put this on label 1. And now we're going to go here. So this is for the positions. You have to make sure you do this, or it won't work. So make sure to put all of this X, Y, Z, and then go here. X, nah, not Y. X, Y, Z. Now do the same thing with player. So when you see this, just do the same thing. Alright, now we have everything we need. You don't need to do anything here. So now we're gonna try it out. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be trying out and seeing what happens. Now we have everything we need. You don't need to do anything here. So now we're gonna try it out. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be trying out and seeing what happens. Okay, I was just screen recording, so now I'm gonna be showing you what it looks like. So this will be an issue with most stuff. I know I look so, but make sure to go in editor mode. Okay, so make sure to go in editor mode. And I'm just gonna do that. Make sure to click your top joystick like I said before and go on ungroup and move it up. Okay, now I'm gonna try it. Okay, so it kind of works, but you can align it however you want. Okay, yeah, it's kind of working, but yeah, you can see. So this is very useful for a lot of stuff, for UIs and a lot of other things. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna make sure it's non-active for the hat. I'm gonna get this code block. I am going to make sure this, keep player and get rid of this. So when you're doing player, you gotta make sure you keep this. And now get rid of this. Make sure to create your holdable. Like maybe use this code block. I have to. And then click that. Go here and do what I did earlier. And I'm gonna screen share again. If you want, you can put it on start active. I have to, but I recommend doing it if it's not. But I think it's a hat for me right now. I don't know. Yes, it is indeed a hat. And go to edit program. If you remember when I said R0, I knew you gave me, but go to R0, scroll down, and then click constant. When you click constant, make sure you should see a number next to constant and put it 444 3 times. And then click apply. Alright, I have a holdable in my hand right now. Yeah, you should be able to see it. So I have the holdable, and I'm gonna have 2 cosmetics. This is really cool, and it's very useful. But I hope this helped you. I'm sure this will probably blow up since everybody is looking for this tutorial. So make sure to like, subscribe, and you can comment if you want. I don't really care. But that is the end of the video. If you want, you can make sure to like. I recommend doing it because I might make a part 4. But I have to how to make a left hand and a badge. Stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you in the next. Alright, bye guys.